Welcome to my channel. My name is KBG. You know what it is. Today we're unboxing the Atem Mini Pro ISO. I've been waiting for this thing for a long time and it's here. So without wasting much of your time, we're gonna do this thing slowly but surely. Yeah, see, looks nice. Make sure that I'm in focus. Yeah, yes please. So paper done. Oh, by the way, it's not sponsored by Enjoy, so gotta go. Let me sip. If you're a live streamer, you know that an Atem Mini is very important. You know, you need to have this thing as part of your arsenal. But my gadget, I know also I'm able to go it. Atem Mini has to be there. Either the switcher, the Atem Mini Pro, either the Atem Mini Extreme. You need to check them out if you don't know about these things. They will really help your live stream to look professional. So go get yourself a switcher. And today we are going to unbox one of them babies. And by the way, this episode is sponsored by nobody but Nyali Music. So let's go. That's why you need to have a knife. I think you need to get yourself a knife, you know. It will help you to unbox your stuff, but also when you go out there to do your live streams, yeah. So you get a bunch of, you know, menus as usual. You know, you get yourself. Anyway, so this is how it looks. It had these things on top here, the menus, and then you get yourself a power brick, and some, you know, some plugs, you know, just to have options. Could you connect one to 1G, you know, 2-pin, 3-pin, 2-pin. It is what it is. And finally, the moment we've been waiting for, the Atem Mini Pro ISO. Yeah! You can record now using this straight to your hard drive. Ura kandi 1 terabyte hard drive utawuza ngini for my recordings. And the ISO part is interesting because it means each and every port, every input, imabanga record separately. Basically, you've got 4 independent inputs, you know, that you record straight to your hard drive. So when you record, imakandi file, you know, you can edit it in your editing software. Kama user DaVinci, kama user Premiere, you know, Adobe Premiere. It will definitely give you options to have each and every camera input as a separate track. You know, if it was music, I would say the multi-track session. So this is an interesting gadget to have if you're a live streamer, but also just for recording purposes. I think it will really mean a great deal if you add this to your collection of gadgets. So yeah, there's nothing else in the box. So out of the box you get the Atem Mini itself. You get, you know, the plugs, you know. Thank you. And this is like the 4th one. So you've got 4 options there. So you just hook it up to your thing like so. If you want to change it, do it up like so. Come on, man. Come on. But anyway, you get the idea. And you get the power brick and a bunch of, you know, menus. I think did my guide, welcome, nothing fancy, nothing special. And you get a sticker, you know, and this thing here. That's it. And then you're good to go. You hook it up to your thing and it is what it is. So I'm going to do another video just to like show you guys how to connect or how I use these things in my day-to-day live streaming gigs. But for today, we end it here. So thank you for watching. Until next time, peace out. Love you, KBG. Don't forget to hit the bell, subscribe, and leave the comments down below. You know, what else do you want to see? What else do you want to know? And when you see this white screen, just know I'm bringing in some, you know, cool stuff, gadgets, whatever, and we talk about this thing. Peace out, the cool and the gang and the blessed.